Ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá rèé o. Apostle Solomon Alabi ti sọ àsọtẹ́lẹ̀ fún ọdún 2023 o wípé àìsàn àti àjàkálẹ̀ àrùn yóò lu àwọn apá ibìkan pa ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run yìí wá sọ pé kí ìjọba àpapọ̀ àti àwọn gómìnà agbègbè yìí kí ó gbáradì dáadáa kí àjàkálẹ̀ àrùn náà má bàa mú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹ̀mí lọ. Àjàkálẹ̀ àrùn náà yóò súyọ ní àwọn apá South títí dé South East. Bákan náà, ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run yìí tẹ̀síwájú pé orílẹ̀-èdè Kenya yóò ṣubú lu ajé o ní ọdún 2023, pàápàá lórí tourism. Ó ṣàlàyé pé ọdún 2023 yóò sọ orílẹ̀-èdè Kenya di ìlúmọ̀ọ́ká ju gbogbo àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè mìíràn lọ ní ilẹ̀ Áfíríkà. Ó wá rọ ìjọba kí ó múra gírí sí ojúṣe wọn. Ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run yìí kò ṣàì mẹ́nubà ọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ olùṣọ́ àgùntàn ti ìjọ ìràpadà ìyẹn Leke Adeboye wípé kí ó ṣọ́ra o kí ó má bàa fún obìnrin mìíràn lóyún. Ó tẹ̀síwájú wípé àsọtẹ́lẹ̀ kìí ṣe fún ìbẹ̀rù o, bí kò ṣe láti ṣọ́ra ṣe kí ó má bàa ta àbùkù bá orúkọ ìjọ Ọlọ́run àti bàbá rẹ̀. Ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run yìí kò ṣàì mẹ́nubà ọ̀rọ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá. Wọ́n sọ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ wọn pé orílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá yóò gba òmìnira ní ọdún 2023 o, pé ìyẹn ti dájú. Kódà gan ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè mìíràn bí orílẹ̀-èdè 4 mìíràn ni yóò tún gba òmìnira ní ọdún 2023.
In some part of the country, I saw epidemics from some states just spring up in some states in Nigeria, and it leads to the death of many people. I want you to pray, and the government should please be prepared ahead so that we will not experience another form of COVID-19 in Nigeria. It's an epidemic. It's going to originate in Nigeria here, and it's going to affect many lives. Many lives will be affected, starting from the southeast, up to northeast and north central. They should be very, very careful, and the government should prepare, make sure they empower our healthcare system in that area I've mentioned, because it's going to affect many lives. About a particular country in this Africa, that's Kenya. In 2023, the country tourism will explode. They will make a lot of profit and more money in tourism like no other year before. The country is going to make a lot of money, more than any other countries in Africa in tourism. And the country is going to look like Dubai of Africa. This is a warning to the president. The president should make sure that they put things in order in that country, because that country is going to experience a lot of foreign visitors in that country called Kenya in 2023. This warning is going out to Leke Adeboye. You should be very, very careful. I saw him impregnating another woman. The woman looks like age between 30 to 35. You should be very, very careful. I saw him in a big problem. He impregnates a woman. The woman is either Texas or New York. He should be very, very careful so that he will not put his father's name in problem. Concerning Oduduwa nation, it's concerning Oduduwa nation. I saw the flag flying, and the case looked like the case of Joseph in the Bible in Genesis 37. If you look at that verse 7 and 9, I saw a flag, which is Oduduwa nation flag, and all other countries, they were bowed around the flag. It's going to happen next year, 2023. Go and write it down. It's going to happen next year. Yoruba people will go in 2023. The same thing applicable to Biafra. And I saw 4 other different countries in Africa that gained their freedom before 2025. Go and write it down. It's going to happen. Go and write it down.
Subscribe sórí ìkànnì yìí, Pavilion TV, fún àwọn ìròyìn àsìkò àti kàyéfì. Ẹ ṣé tẹ́ ń wò wá.